Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Max. This is the video that I promised you guys off the Facebook page. So let's jump right in. So really the main way that you can utilize your website in order to boost your business is to have it rank in Google for your area and your niche, select keywords. So I noticed you guys do the quad cities, so painters, quad cities, or even each city, painters, Davenport, etc. You can see that there's painters that come up here, and you guys are not in the top 4, top 5. So really, that's the general idea here, is to rank in these, because these get about 50 to 65% of the consumers that are searching for your niche in your area. So how do we get there? I'll show you. It's these 3 main things. We'll start off with the content on your home page, and then we'll go into backlinks and citations. So the content on your home page, if I copied everything right here, including what these pictures are saved as and everything, then we will see, and then I'm going to throw it into this word counter here. Shows me that you guys have 430 words on your home page. So that's pretty good. However, Google wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words for you to become relevant in these areas and these niches, so that whenever people search for painters, quad cities, you guys have a lot more content, so you start ranking. In that content, you're going to want to throw in some keywords like painters, Davenport, painters, quad cities, etc. Now, I will say I really like how you guys have this call us for a free estimate today, because once you start to rank in the homepage, it's going to make it a lot easier for people to get into contact with you and get that free estimate, get you in their door. The next thing is backlinks, and this is just another way to make you guys more relevant to these search terms. So I took your URL and I copied it and I threw it in this tool that I use, and it shows me the back end of your website. It shows me that you guys have 5 backlinks, which is a nice solid start. Your health looks really good. You want these numbers to be as proportionate as possible. So if it was a perfect ratio, it would be 9 to 9. But I'm sure that as you start adding more relevant links, that they're going to start evening out and growing. So it'd be perfect if you had like a 20 green number and a 20 orange number, okay? But and what a backlink is basically one website linking to your homepage, which passes power and relevance, and Google takes note of all that, and then they say, okay, well, this site has several companies kind of voting for it, in a sense, to be relevant for these select keywords. And the final thing is citations. And what a citation is your business name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yellow Pages, BBB. If there's a Chamber of Commerce in each of these cities, that would be a good place to do it. Get them to post on their website with your account linking back to your site with your name, your address, and your phone number. And then that makes you relevant in the Google Map Pack, which gets about 65% of clicks. These top 3 do out of the people that are searching for your niche in your area. So I hope that this was informative. I will reach out to you guys tomorrow to kind of get your thoughts and see what you're thinking. So thank you for your time.